Tea. One of the world's most cherished beverages begins with a delicate and precise propagation process. Today, we take you through the complete journey from seedling to field using Jiffy Coir Pellets, a revolutionary alternative to traditional soil pots. The process begins with pellet preparation. First, we place Jiffy Coir Pellets into Jiffy trays and then hydrate using a controlled water spray or a water bath. Unlike soil pots, Jiffy pellets expand evenly, retaining the ideal moisture level while preventing excess water accumulation at the base. This ensures uniform expansion, creating the perfect medium for root development. Next, we set up the propagation chamber, a controlled environment designed to maintain the ideal humidity and temperature for rooting. The process begins with land preparation, followed by mulching. Mulching retains moisture while regulating soil temperature and controls weed growth. Once ready, the hydrated pellet trays are carefully placed inside the propagation chamber to ensure optimal conditions for healthy root development. Tea propagation begins with selecting healthy cuttings. A sharp, clean nodal cut is made and a rooting hormone is applied to enhance root development. Each cutting is firmly placed into the pellet, securing proper contact for optimal rooting and healthy growth. Next, we construct a tunnel-like structure using wood or an equivalent substitute to provide support and maintain the ideal growing conditions for the plants. Then, before covering the propagation chamber structure we built, remember to water the plants to ensure adequate moisture for optimal root development. Then, we cover the structure with a transparent UV-treated polyethylene plastic, creating a humid microclimate essential for rooting. To ensure a secure seal and maintain optimal moisture levels, the edges are carefully sealed with soil. Then, over the next few weeks, strong roots start to develop within the Jiffy pellet, benefiting from optimal aeration and moisture retention. Then we remove the polyethylene cover and add water and fertilizers to the plants. After that, we cover the polytunnel again and let it continue to grow for another few weeks. In the first few weeks, delicate roots begin to develop within the Jiffy pellets, benefiting from optimal aeration and moisture retention. Here are sample images showcasing the different growth stages of the plant. One of the biggest advantages of Jiffy pellets is their lightweight structure. Unlike bulky soil pots, they are easy to handle, reducing transportation costs and labor. Field planting is simple and efficient. First, dig small planting holes, just enough to fit the pellet. Then, add a handful of compost to enrich the soil. Now, take the Jiffy pellet with its biodegradable PLA netting and place it directly into the hole. That's it, no need to remove the netting. It breaks down naturally, letting the roots grow freely into the soil. So why you should choose Jiffy pellets over traditional soil pots? As you can see, Jiffy pellets provide smart, sustainable advantages, eliminating the need for soil and fumigation while offering exceptional ease of handling. So, let's hear what others have to say about Jiffy pellets, from those who work with them every day to experts who study their impact.
மண்ணில் பக்கெட்டில் போடுறதோட அந்த கோபுரத்தில் போடுறது லேசு, வேலைகளுக்கு லேசு, கொண்டு வரத்துக்கு லேசு, எதுக்கும் பயப்பட தேவையில்லை. நமக்கு வேலைக்கு ரொம்ப லேசாக இருக்கும், கஷ்டம் இல்லை.
Here in collaboration with Jiffy Products, initiated some research work to test alternative rooting material for generating nursery plants, which is called Jiffy Coir Pellets. Advantage of using Jiffy Coir Pellets, you can avoid using soil, which has been a serious limitation in current nursery industry, and you don't need to do fumigation to eradicate nematodes and other harmful organisms. Using Jiffy pellets compared to normal nursery bags, it's convenience, it occupies less space, and you can manage large number of plants because the space occupation is less compared to normal nursery plants.
To learn more about how Jiffy is revolutionizing tea propagation, visit jiffygroup.com.